Hi everyone, today we have another question. This is again of CAT 2017. We will cover all the CAT questions first and then we'll move on to mocks. So what is the question? A person can complete a job in 120 days. 120 days. He works alone on day 1. On day 2 he is joined by another person who can complete the job in exactly 120 days. So the efficiency of both the persons is same, 120, 120. On day 3 they are joined by another person of equal efficiency, again 120. Like this, every day a new person of the same efficiency joins the work. Okay, so what does it mean? On day 20 there was one person work. Day 1 there was one person. Day 2 there were two people. Day 3 there were three people. Now let's solve this by taking units. So if one person can complete one work in 120 days, so let's assume one person works 1 unit in per day. So if he requires 120 days to complete this job, then how many units will he have to work? 120 units of work, right? If one person is doing 1 unit per day and he requires 120 days, so he will have to do 120 units of work. So the total work is 120 days, 120 units. Now, one person is working 1 unit per day. Two people will work 2 units per day. Three people will work 3 units per day. So what does it mean? On first day, the total work will be 1 unit. On second day, it will be 2. On third day, it will be 3. Fourth day, it will be 4, and so on and so forth up till n. And the total of these, if we have to complete the work, the total work is 120. If we have to complete the total of this, should be 120. So this you can see is a simple AP. You should know this formula. N into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula for sum up till nth term is equal to 120. That makes it n into n plus 1 is equal to 240. Now you can solve this by various methods, but if you really want to crack that, you should know that which terms will these be. You can see this is 15 into 16, so n is equal to 15 days. And even if you don't know this is 15 into 16 is equal to 240, let's say you can take a guess. Take n as 10 into 11. What is it? 110. No. So you see it is very far. You take another number. Let's say you take 12 into 13. How much is 12 into 13? This would be 120 plus 36. 120 plus 36, 156. Doesn't work again. Then try 14 into 15. Then try 15 into 16. You will eventually arrive at the answer because this question is very simple. You should not miss these type of questions. Okay. Ideally, you should know that 15 into 16 is 240.